Hello everyone, I'm your host, Boss Zombie. Welcome back to Fallout 3. Next bobblehead is small guns, and I need to go to the army depot. Over there. I think you can only go from outside of DC. That might work. Let's try going to Farragut. Let's see. What was that? Oh, those guys are fighting again. That guy's dead.
Time here is over.
Get down here.
We'll walk away alive.
So wait, with Animal Friend, even mad Brahmins are friendly now? Oh, how about that? Alright, so we have to go through the outer DC ruins. Why are there grenade clusters everywhere? Oh wait, oh wait. Well, interesting, there's a tripwire. God, this place is decimated. Hello? How do I keep going east? I guess I have to go this way? How's my map? Alright. Yeah, this is the right way. Let's see.
Though we may seem safe for the moment, only one of us will walk away alive. Pass first.
Whoa! Careful, this truck might explode. Uh-oh. Yeah. Stupid enclave. Oh, some stuff in here. Nice. Okay. Okay. No, don't want. Was that a Talon Company guy?
The air smells dangerous.
Who are you? Just one random soldier, huh? Stupid vertebrate. Play of assholes. Fuck you. Alright. Did you have anything good though? Or did I kill it too quickly that it didn't spawn the guys coming out of it?
Concerned about this area.
I guess I did. Oh well. That's an overlord. Let's see if I can. Oh, I can. It's like impossible. Line up a shot. Can I get him like this? This might be a problem. Compare that with that. Is that all that's here? It's just like a bonfire and 2 mutants? Interesting. Nope, there's some ammo. No grenade. Okay. That. Those. Alright. Well, now that that's done, how do I... I need to keep going that way. Wait, maybe I can. Oh, I guess I can. Just go through here. No. Like this. There we go. Let's just wait so they can catch up. One of them caught up. Friendly? Oh, a captive. Out here?
Mike, thank you. Thank you so much. I thought I was dead for sure. Here, I managed to hide these supplies before they tied me up. You take them. It's the best I can do to thank you.
Take that and get out of here.
Here, thank you again. I'm gonna try to make it home, if it's still there.
Weird. Alright, continuing on. She's... Nope. Something scared her over here.
Ah!
What are you doing?
Hey!
Knock it off.
Away alive.
Phew! Glad that's over.
Are you? Alright. What is this? Friendship station. This place has raiders, I think. I found the raiders.
Your time here is over.
My goodness.
Only one of them.
Yep, of course one has a missile. Always one with a missile. So where's the one who had a missile? Missile. What do you have over here, anyways? Radio, ammo. I thought that was bullets, not a weapon. I don't want that. 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 All that. What were they even doing out here? Ramen steak. Oh, wait, you got a tent. What's this? Oh, handbrake. I'll steal your chems so I can sell them. Alright, well, that was interesting. Wonder what happened to the lady who was running for her life. Dun, 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 dun. 2 hostiles. Probably super mutants. Yep. What is happening? God. Rock Creek Caverns. I remember something bad about this place that I'm pretty sure I don't want to deal with. Is this where there's death claws? I think there's death claws here. Oh, cool. You both had missile launchers. Of course. Everyone has a missile launcher these days. I wouldn't mind fighting an overlord if he gave me a tri-beam laser rifle. That'd be nice. Depot should be right ahead, I think. There's an ammo box over here. Strange. This is it. National Guard Depot. Feel bad those guys didn't stand a chance.
At your back.
Anything else out here? No. Alright, from what I remember, this is a big place, so I'll have to do it in another episode. So, thanks for joining me. Come back, I'll have the next stuff up real soon, but until then, bye.